Hi, the purpose of the video today is to review the Michigan Stinger Spoon, and this is the Scorpion model that I use in precision trolling applications, and we've caught lots of fish on this. But before we talk more about the Michigan Stinger Spoon, let me remind everybody to pray before you go fishing, because when Jesus created the heavens and the earth, when he made mankind, he said, he blessed mankind and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air and everything that moves along the ground." So when we go fishing, we're trying to rule over the fish of the sea, and we want to ask the Lord to share his fish with us. Because in the Bible, Jesus said, "Which of you, if his son asked for a fish, would give him a snake?" And then he concludes by saying, "Well, how much more will your Father in heaven give good things to those who ask him?" So we want to make sure we're asking for God's blessing and to catch lots of fish. All right, so this is the Michigan Stinger Spoon, and this is the Scorpion model. And we've used these catching walleye in Lake Erie. We've caught trout in the reservoirs of North Carolina and Colorado. And recently we discovered that they work really, really well on striped bass and spotted bass in precision trolling applications in Georgia reservoirs. And we like to fish on Lake Lanier in Georgia. If it's a clear reservoir so fish can see the lure from a good distance away, we found that these work really well. Caught lots and lots of fish on them. Now, one of the things that's disappointed me in the more recent manufactured Michigan Stinger spoons is that it seems like the paint flakes off a lot easier than it used to. So you start with a lure with a pretty good paint job like this one, and it starts flaking off, and next thing you know, you got a lure that's mostly silver, or some of them come in the hammered copper kind of color. And what we do is we keep this is just blaze orange fingernail polish. We keep it in the tackle box, so when the paint starts to flake off, we can splash it with a little more orange, and we're good to go again. Michigan Stinger spoons, catch lots of fish on them. Remember to pray.